Controls, instruments. All right. By instrument set. Make sure power. Trim works. RPM 1800. Mag. Whoa, 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 whoa.
November 7 Uniform Hotel, expecting a release in about a minute or less now. Continue taxiing, full short runway 21.
Continue taxi, full short 21, 7 Uniform Hotel, thanks.
Santa Monica Ground, Skyhawk 353, Mike Victor, VFR request.
What's your request?
Skyhawk 353, Mike Victor, I'd like to have flight following to Half Moon Bay, Hotel Alpha Foxtrot, along the coastline.
What altitude?
4,500, 3 Mike Victor.
Thank you. November 3 Mike Victor, remain outside Los Angeles Class Bravo airspace, squawk 7614.
Remain outside of Bravo, squawk 7614, 3 Mike Victor.
November 3 Mike Victor, reback correct, are you ready to taxi?
Run up complete, ready to taxi, runway 21, 3 Mike Victor.
November 3 Mike Victor, roger. Runway 21 taxi via Bravo, you can expect just a couple minutes, we're about to release this IFR jet.
Okay, taxi 21 via Bravo and expect a couple of minutes. Thank you. 3 Mike Victor.
Santa Monica Ground, Speakers 126 Whiskey Kilo, clear runway 2 Bravo 3, taxi to runway 21.
Cruiser 126 Whiskey Kilo, Santa Monica Ground, runway 2 and taxi via Bravo.
Okay, so 11:45.
Santa Monica Tower, Skyhawk 353 Mike Victor, holding short runway 21 Bravo 5, ready for departure.
Skyhawk 353 Mike Victor, Santa Monica Tower, hold short runway 21.
Hold short runway 21, 3 Mike Victor.
Number 7 Uniform Hotel, squawk 4775.
4775, 7 Uniform Hotel.
7 Uniform Hotel, 4775, and contact SoCal.
Orders SoCal, 7 Uniform Hotel. SoCal, Eclipse 227 Uniform Hotel, 1,500, climbing 3,000, heading 265.
Number 7 Uniform Hotel, 125.2.
Oh, sorry about that.
Number 353 Mike Victor, Santa Monica, right turn shoreline approved, runway 21, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 21, clear for takeoff, right turn, shoreline, approved, 3 Mike Victor.
Full ridge. In case of an engine failure, we push forward. All set. Their instruments are in the green, airspeed is alive. 45, 55, rotate. Coming out at 75.
Santa Monica Tower, Sport Cruiser 126, Whiskey Kilo, holding short at runway 21 at Bravo 5, left close traffic.
Sport Cruiser 126, Whiskey Kilo, Santa Monica Tower, left close traffic approved, runway 21 cleared for takeoff.
Runway 21 clear for takeoff, 6 Whiskey Kilo.
Number 3, Mike Victor, let me know when you're established on course.
3 Mike Victor, established.
Roger. Let me ask you differently. Number 3, Mike Victor, are you going to parallel the coast or are you going to go inland?
Oh, we're going to parallel the coast as long as possible, yeah.
Okay. Number 3, Mike Victor, contact SoCal 125.2. So long.
125.2, 3 Mike Victor, so long, thank you. Local departure, Skyhawk 353 Mike Victor, 2600, climbing 4500.
Or 353 Mike Victor, SoCal, departure radar contact, Los Angeles altimeter 2983. What's your on-course setting and altitude requesting en route?
On-course setting is along the shoreline, altitude request is 4500, 3 Mike Victor.
3 Mike Victor, roger.
And, sorry, can I have the altimeter again?
Los Angeles altimeter 2983.
2983, 3 Mike Victor.
932 Heavy, contact Los Angeles Center 135.5. 355, you're not 32 Heavy.
And Santa Barbara approach, Skyhawk 353 Mike Victor.
November 353 Mike Victor, go ahead.
November 353 Mike Victor, if possible, we would like to do 180-degree turn and return back to and land in Santa Barbara.
November 3 Mike Victor, roger, 180 approved, and verify you're not experiencing any difficulty.
No difficulties at all, we just have some weather here in it, and yep, just want to go back to Santa Barbara.
Roger.
clear. Temperature 23, 2.19er, altimeter 29er80. ILS, RNAV and visual approaches in use. Landing and departing runway 7, 15 left, 15 right. Notice to airmen, multiple cranes and rigs within the vicinity of the airport at or below 228 feet. Taxiway November, closed. Runway 15 right, 33 left, hold position sign south of runway 7, unlit. Gaviota Vortac out of service. 9er, all arrivals contact approach control 120.55. Noise abatement procedures are in effect. Advise on initial contact. Do you have information? Echo.
3 Mike Victor, contact Santa Barbara approach 125.4.
125.4, 3 Mike Victor. Santa Barbara approach, Skyhawk 353, Mike Victor, 4,500 inbound with information echo.
November 353, Mike Victor, Santa Barbara approach. Also 101 freeway, enter right base, runway 15 right.
Over 101 freeway, enter right base, 15 right, 3 Mike Victor.
055 Juliet, 4 miles from NAS, turn right heading 055, maintain VFR, clear
It's easy, I can do that.
055, clear dial 7 approach, Papa Juliet.
I can do that.
My navigation. November 3, Mike Victor, contact tower.
Off the tower, 3 Mike Victor.
Tower, standby. Traffic crossing downfield.
Roger.
Santa Barbara Tower, Skyhawk 353, Mike Victor, 10 to the east, sorry, 10 to the west, inbound for landing.
November 353, Mike Victor, Santa Barbara Tower, report 2 mile right base, runway 15 right.
Report 2 mile right base, runway 15 right, 3 Mike Victor.
November 3, Mike Victor, turn 20 degrees left.
20 degrees left, 3 Mike Victor.
That's 4166, contact departure. Number 7, customer 827 Juliet Sierra, Santa Barbara Tower, runway 7, line up and wait, traffic on final for the crossing runway.
Runway 7, line up and wait, 7 Juliet Sierra.
Number 540 Victor, maintain VFR at or above 1,500. Continue westbound, enter a left, downwind for runway 7.
At or above 1,500, continue westbound, left downwind runway 703 Victor.
Number 14 Victor, maintain VFR at or below 1,000 feet.
At or below 1,000, 14 Victor.
And Santa Barbara Tower, 2 Mike Victor, establish 2 mile right base.
Is that number 3 Mike Victor calling?
3 Mike Victor, fan.
Number 3 Mike Victor, roger. Wind 12014, runway 15 right, clear to land, traffic departing the crossing runway prior.
15 right, clear to land. 3 Mike Victor.
Runway Sierra, turn right at hotel, contact ground point 7.
Right at hotel, contact.
For 7 Juliet Sierra, runway 7 clear for takeoff.
Runway 7, clear for takeoff, 7 Juliet Sierra.
Tower 03 Victor, since we have runway 7, could we get a touch and go on a departure to the west?
03 Victor, roger after completion of your approach. Resume navigation appropriate vehicle altitudes.
Roger, after the touch and go, on navigation 03 Victor.
For 03 Victor, are you looking for flight following to a destination airport?
Affirmative, back to Riverside, please, 03 Victor, Cessna 172 RG slant uniform.
03 Victor, say altitude.
3,500, 03 Victor.
Number 7 Juliet Sierra, contact departure 125.4.
25-4 now for departure.
Number 7 Juliet Sierra, my mistake, contact departure 120.55.
120.55, 7 Juliet Sierra.
Tree Victor, cancel altitude restriction, wind 12011, runway 7, clear to land. Correction, clear for the option.
Runway 7, clear for the option, canceling altitude restriction, 03 Victor.
And town citation 555 Delta Hotel, turning base, runway 7.
Number 555 Delta Hotel, Summer Tower, roger. Wind 12010, runway 7, cleared to land, number 2. Traffic 1 mile north, field left base.
Okay, we'll slow down and cruise on land 7 by Delta.
And can we get off to the left here on Echo, 3 Mike Victor?
Retrieve my Victor, affirmative. You can turn left at Echo, cross runway 15 left and say parking.
Going to transient parking, 15, cross 15 left, 3 Mike Victor.
Retrieve my Victor, contact ground point 7 on the other side.
Contact ground point 7, 3 Mike Victor.
Reserve Tree Victor, make a right 360. A right 360 for sequencing.
Right 360, 03 Victor.
For 5 Delta Hotel, you'll be number 1 now. Traffic heading to your right. So RV7 making a right 360, 1,200.
Okay, thanks. 5 Delta Hotel, number 1, and cruise on land on 7.
Santa Barbara Tower, Series 215, Foxtrot Juliet. Santa Barbara ground, Mentor 34 Alpha Tango, it's Tower T. He'd like to taxi over to 15 right at Charlie.
Mentor 34 Alpha Tango, Santa Barbara ground, right 15 right, taxi via Charlie behind the Cirrus, and contact Tower 1 ready.
34 Alpha Tango, Roger, number 2.
Santa Barbara ground, Skyhawk 353 Mike Victor, clear runway 15 left at Echo, request taxi to transient parking, please.
And the last aircraft calling, say call sign again.
November 353 Mike Victor.
Number 353 Mike Victor, roger. There is transit parking directly ahead of you at the Atlantic ramp. Did you want to proceed there?
Affirmative, 3 Mike Victor.
Number 353 Mike Victor, taxi straight ahead via Echo to Atlantic. Good day.
Good day, thank you.
Santa Barbara ground, this is coastal aircraft, Contour aircraft, November 27512, requesting to head back to the coastal hangar.
Coastal hangar,
And coastal maintenance, proceed back to the hangar via Delta.
27512, proceeding back to the hangar via Delta. Thank you.
Number 5 Delta Hotel, safe parking.
We're going to signature 5 Delta Hotel.
Number 5 Delta Hotel, turn left 1, ground point 7.
5 Delta Hotel.